Have you seen Production Crate's new modular skeleton warriors packs, as well as the elf warrior female, elf warrior male, casual outfits female, and casual outfits male? Let me tell you, they're pretty cool because they are rigged and ready to be used in Mixamo. Finding myself in Mixamo, all I have to do is select Upload a Character and then drag the model of your choice into Mixamo. After it has been processed, then all you have to do is select Next, and it will bring it into this preview window. From here, go to Animations and select one that you want to apply to the model. From here, select Download. In HitFilm, go ahead and select Import and 3D Model. After navigating to the folder that contains the dyeing FBX that I downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and import it. Notice that there is no opacity here, so I'm just going to type opacity in the search engine and then increase what I want to be 100%. Then when I'm ready, I'll click OK. Creating a new composite shot, I will go ahead and bring the dyeing FBX into that composite shot. Then opening up the Properties panel, under Models and Dyeing FBX, you'll find Animations. Drag the Mixamo animation over to that selection. From here, I'm going to add a camera, some lights, a floor, and maybe a background wall. And now, check it out. Looks pretty cool, huh? All I have to do now is add textures to the model, and I'm done. I hope you found this video educational, and thanks for watching.